This is Driving with Myles. I'm a state certified instructor. I've been doing driver's education about 21 years. I teach teens and adults. So I put together a YouTube channel. It's called Driving with Myles. And at the end of this, I need you to subscribe to the channel. A little bit more about me. I oversee driver's education instruction. I schedule tests. I coordinate exams. I'm mailing those exams to the corporate office. I teach segment 1. This is where you're learning how to drive. Segment 2, you take that in 3 months. I'm about building strong relationships. I'm about also pupil development, and also I deploy time management, and I'm a multitasker. When you teach driver's education and you drive a number of students, you develop those positive relationships. Driving is about building relationship. Oh, if you didn't know, look right up here. This is my website, Driving with the Myles. I need you to subscribe to it. A little bit more about me. I'm also a school teacher. I teach social studies education. I've been doing that about 23 years. So when you're a teacher and a driver's education instructor, it all works together. It's about building relationships. It's about working together. And when you work together, you can really give people independence. And that's what driver's education is about. It's about giving people independence. It's allowing them to make good decisions. And then they become productive members of society. I'm blessed to have my students come back 10 years, 12 years, 15 years. Hey, Driving with the Myles. Hey, it was a great experience. And that is what's fulfilling for me as a teacher and as a human being, to see students coming in the beginning, and then once they learn how to drive, they're independent. And I build those relationships with the parents. I have great content ranging from reverse parallel parking, teaching students with ADHD, which has been a very popular series, road test tutorials, road test prep. So it's been a really fulfilling development of my skill set. Also, if you don't know, I'm TikTok famous. My daughter is my agent, and I'm known as @thefunnyguy_2. Currently, I have 3.5 million likes and 165,000 followers. So I have a great sense of humor. And when you teach driver's education, it's about having a good sense of humor. It's about developing relationships in people. And that's what I really enjoy. And my content is growing all the time. I have great equipment. I make tutorials 2 or 3 times a day. I go live at least once or twice a day. So when you subscribe to my channel, I need you to turn on that bell notification so you get notified when I go live. You get notified when I put up information. So let's kind of summarize. If you're new to the United States, if you have 10 years or less experience, you need to be subscribing to my channel. You need to be digesting the content. It's a great development of driver's education tutorials. And I am really blessed to be in this position. So again, subscribe to Driving with Myles. And that's why. Driving with the Myles, subscribe, turn on that bell notification. And I really enjoy teaching, and I really enjoy going over this content. So I just want to say thank you, and God bless you, and please support me.